The people of Bamenda 1 subdivision over the weekend received their share of the 2009 Parliamentary Micro Project grant from the Member of Parliament for Bamenda and Bali, Honorable Fobi Chinda Simon. Welcoming the Member of Parliament at the Bamenda Nkwe Funds Palace Plaza, the Mayor for Bamenda 1 subdivision, Mr. Acho Simon, expressed satisfaction with the cordial relationship existing between the Council and the Member of Parliament through his Micro Project Grants Management Committee. According to the Mayor, the supply of electricity to Menkan Quarter and the provision of improved seed to women at the start of the farming season is a clear manifestation of a development-focused Social Democratic Front, the SDF party. Addressing the thousands that turned out to say welcome and thank you, the Member of Parliament, Honorable Fobi Simon, in his usual charismatic style, expressed gratitude to the Micro Project Management Committee for Bamenda 1 subdivision for working at the interest of the rural masses. Citing some of his activities for the past 1 year at the National Assembly, the Member of Parliament acknowledged the complete handover of his micro project grants as promised during the campaigns, which totaled some 8 million francs CFA shared among the 4 subdivisions in his constituency, with Bamenda 1's share standing at 1.5 million. On the passing of laws, Honorable Fobi expressed the wish for Bamenda 1 people to exploit the partnership agreement and law which protect foreign companies in Cameroon. He encouraged those with family members abroad to establish in the country. He also condemned the law giving the president the right to appoint members of ELECAM and the constitutional modification of 2008. Speaking as main sponsor of the seed donation, the Secretary General of the Social Democratic Front, Dr. Mrs. Tamajong Elizabeth, said the empowering of the Bamenda 1 woman with planting seed is the best thing you can do at the start of a farming season. The event was punctuated with the cutting of a symbolic ribbon at the electricity launching site and traditional dances. Honorable Fobi Chinda Simon stated his impressions after rounding up his contact tour and the donation of his micro project grants at the end of the year 2008.
We covered Bamenda 2 afterwards, Bali, and here we are today in Bamenda 1. We went to Bamenda 2 where they had 2.5 million. And we had about 12 projects totally realized.
For CNTV News in Bamenda Nkwe, Baka Derek reporting.